everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today I'm here with another great project that I'll let you know about. So let's begin and move to our website to know more about the project. But before we begin, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you.
Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Peep Smiley. Peep Smiley is a meme coin. This is an ultimate meme coin that will make you smile all the way to massive 100x gains. So here we are to the website of Peep Smiley. We can find the details of Peep Smiley right here. We have some more details of the white chart, so you can join to the white charts of Peep Smiley as well. You can buy the Peep Smiley right now here, so you can simply buy this from here. But first we must be able to know more about the Peep Smiley. The meme coin with a smile. Peeps is not just another meme coin, it's a movement that brings smiles and massive gains to crypto community. Born from the legendary Peep meme, their beloved Peep Smiley has evolved into a powerful force in the crypto universe with his infectious smile and bullish energy. He's ready to take holders to new heights. They have community powered, built by meme lovers for meme lovers, and massive potential with 100x gains and moon mission. Then we have why we choose Peeps. Not all meme coins are created equal. Here's why Peep Smiley stands out from the most of the crowd. They have audited and secure contract audited by top security firms to ensure your funds and safe. They have lightning fast transactions, low gas fee and rapid transaction confirmation. Growing community, join thousands of Peep Smiley believers spreading the green revolution. And deflationary mechanics. Token bind mechanism to increase value over time. They have liquidity locked, which is liquidity locked for 1 year to ensure stability and trust. They have regular giveaways, participate in contests and giveaway for loyal holders. Peep token economics. So token distribution is mentioned here. They have 80% for circulating supply and 20% for liquidity pool. So we can find the token name is Peep Smiley, their token symbol is Peeps, and the total supply is mentioned here. The blockchain is Solana and contract address is mentioned here. Then we have the tokenomics highlights of deflationary mechanism built with scarcity in mind. Peeps token is designed to increase the value over time as supply diminishes. The community growth with 80% of token in circulation, and Peeps is truly owned by its community, creating decentralized ecosystem with long-term VN and tokenomics are designed for sustainable growth and long-term VN calculation for all holders. Then we have their Peeps roadmap, that what they have planned for the future. So the path of the Peep meme coin dominance is clearly defined. Follow journey as we take over the crypto world. Phase 1 have launched with token creation, audit, website launch, social media setup, community building, etc. Phase 2 have listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, community expansion, strategic partnerships, enhanced marketing effort, etc. And phase 3 have their CX listing, NFT collection launch, celebrity, etc. And phase 4 have their exchange listing, Peeps ecosystem, strategic acquirements, and more things of the white paper. So we can find the more details of the project on white paper. So you can simply click on the white paper and download the white paper of this project to be able to understand the project. But here we can find the DEX chart of the Peep Smiley. We can find the market cap place of this. We can find out the details of the project, that what is the main detail of the project and how does it started. So we can find the details of the project here, so you can simply join the project right here to be able to understand the Peep Smiley. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link of the project in my description, which you can use to access. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.